Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a part 3 of the amount of money I've earned using the Brave browser. Everything that you need to know is down below in the YouTube description. It's going to be a very short video today. I just wanted to show you that I'm still earning money using the Brave browser. If you're new and you haven't downloaded the Brave browser yet, go ahead, there's a link down below, or you can visit brave.com. Now, when Brave pays you, it pays you in a cryptocurrency called BAT, or Basic Attention Token. And in order to receive that BAT, you have to have an Uphold wallet. That's because the Brave browser uses Uphold to deposit the funds that you earn. So once you have Brave downloaded, let's go ahead and log in to my Uphold account, which is uphold.com. And let's go ahead and click login. And as you can see, my balance is $8.29. Now, when I first made a video a couple of weeks ago and I showed you my previous earnings, this number was higher. And then I showed you in that video how to convert BAT to Bitcoin. And then after that, in my own free time, I decided to convert the Bitcoin to VET because I really do believe in the VET or VeChain token. So in today's video, I'm going to take my current balance of BAT and I'm going to convert it to VET because I really do believe in this token and I really want to show you guys exactly how to do that. So we're going to go right over here to the Transact tab. We're going to click the From, and then we're going to select BAT. So we're going to take the money from our BAT here, and we are going to convert it using USD to VET. Okay? And you can choose any cryptocurrency that you want. They have a big long list of currencies that you can trade or convert into, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and check that out there, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on VET. And right up here, you can see that you can use a certain percentage of the total BAT that you have. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and use the max because I want to convert all of it to VET. It'll give me 51 VET, and then I'll click Preview Trade. Everything looks good, and then I'm going to confirm it. What that's going to do is just convert the BAT to VET, and there we go. Now I've got 77 VET in my account, $8.17 worth, and that's basically it. So all this money that I've earned using the Brave browser, you can come up here to this triangle, click on it, and then you can come up here and click on Rewards Settings. It'll open a new tab, and once that tab is loaded, you can see that my estimated earnings for this upcoming month, so I'll get paid around July 5th, is $2.10 or 3.3 BAT. So like I said in the beginning, you have to be using the Brave browser right up here, brave.com, to actually earn this BAT that I earned in my wallet right here. And all you have to do is download the browser and get started today. Create your free Uphold wallet. The wallet is just where your cryptocurrency is stored. You can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies using Uphold. And if by chance you don't have an Uphold account yet, you can sign up for free. It's really easy to do. It takes about a minute to do. But once you have your account and you start earning BAT, once it's in your account here, you can then send it outside of here to like Coinbase or whichever crypto exchange you want, and it's really, really easy to do. So that's really all there is to it. Download the Brave browser, sign up with the Uphold wallet, create your free account, start earning cryptocurrency by using the browser, and then once you've used it for about a month, you can see over here on the right hand side your Brave rewards. You would just click Learn More, and that would open the same exact tab of the rewards section. And then you can start seeing how many rewards you're earning. You want to make sure that ads is turned on. You don't want it to be turned off like this. You want it turned on so that you can start earning rewards. And ultimately, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this video has been helpful. And hopefully you've gotten some good information that you can earn money using the Brave browser. By using the browser, you see ads. I don't even notice the ads anymore, but I still get paid to use the browser. And then once my month is up, as you can see right here, I've got my next payment date, July 5th. I'll get paid directly into my Uphold wallet. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Hopefully you can see that you can earn cryptocurrency just from using the Brave browser, and then having that cryptocurrency automatically deposited into your cryptocurrency wallet. So I will see you guys in the next video.